Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo, my name is Akila Alda Umi Fatima with NIM 24093101003 and 7 from Prodi Taxation Class H1. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The Excellency Miss Echi as a teacher of English, unforgettable all my friends whom I love. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm standing in front of you all. I will give you my speech about the biggest lesson I have learned in my life so far. Today, I want to share about the biggest lesson I have learned in my life so far. Not about the theories I learned from books, not about the achievement that can be proud of on stage, but about the long process full of wounds, tears, and struggle that are often invisible to the eyes of others. A few years ago, I was forced to take a gap year for 3 years to pursue my dream of continuing my studies. Not because I gave up, but because I was fighting for it, although slowly and alone. During this time, only my parents and a few friends continue to believe in me. But ironically, it was from my close family that I received words that brought me down. Can you really be a doctor? Where are you going to college? How long will you keep filing? How long will you keep filing? This question felt like knives stabbing my heart over and over again. It felt suffocating, as if my failures were entertainment for them, as if all my efforts mean nothing. However, that's where I learned the most important lesson. Never let other people's voice extinguish the flame inside you. I got up. Not because I was strong, but because I didn't want to lose. I kept fighting even though the road was slow, even though there was no applause. I managed to get into college through the SNBT road, and now I am proud to be majoring in taxation. It may not to be it might not be the major I used to dream of, but I am sure this is the best path that God has determined for me. I also learned that God's plan is not always in accordance with our hopes, but it is definitely better than what we imagine. It is better to take risks than to lose opportunity. I learned that the process is incomparable, that everyone has their own time. That failure is not the end but part of the journey to something bigger. And most importantly, I learned to forgive, including those who underestimate me, because I know one day it is not proof that I am after, but peace and success that came from sincere intention and hard work. For those of you who are done being underestimated or struggling in silence, don't give up. You are not alone. Don't give up just because of one bad episode that happened. Keep on going because your story is not over. Sometimes be proud of yourself because not everyone is able to go through that you have gone through. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.